Hello, my name is Kurt Carlson. I'm a product manager with Transition Networks. Today we'll be demonstrating a new troubleshooting feature called Active Link Pass-Through. And this feature can be found on products like our new hardened Gigabit Ethernet Mini Media Converter. Since Active Link Pass-Through is based on our traditional Link Pass-Through feature, I thought it's important that I review with everyone how Link Pass-Through actually works. Now, Link Pass-Through can be found on the majority of Transition Networks media conversion products, and it is actively monitoring both the copper and the fiber port for link fault conditions. So if a failure is detected on one port, it is passed on to the next port, and then also on to the end device, where network administrators would then be notified of the link failure condition. For example, here I have two end devices, a local switch and a remote, linked together over fiber with a pair of media converters. These media converters I currently have Link Pass-Through disabled. Now logically, you would see a valid LED light on the local switch and think you have a valid link to the remote device. But in reality, you only have a valid link between the switch and its immediate media converter. If a link failure condition were to occur, that failure is isolated to just that segment, and the end devices are unaware of the link failure. Now let's reconnect the cable and enable Link Pass-Through. On these converters, Link Pass-Through is enabled by moving dip switch number 4 into the up position. Now if we have a link failure, the failure will be propagated to both end devices and the links will go down. If the end devices are managed, traps will be set and network managers will be made aware of the failure. While Link Pass-Through is a very valuable feature, it can cause some confusion during the installation process, particularly when only one port is being connected at a time. I've seen many projects rolled out in stages where the converters might be configured and dip switches are set in the office before they are shipped out to the installation site. Now remember, on this converter I still have Link Pass-Through enabled. In some cases, when the converter is being installed, only the copper connection is being made and the fiber is being installed at a later point in time. Sometimes that's due to availability of the fiber. In this situation, the installation technician would like to see a valid copper LED light on both the media converter and the end device to confirm that he's got a valid installation. So I will plug in the copper port, but with Link Pass-Through enabled and the lack of a fiber connection, Link Pass-Through is keeping the copper link down on both the media converter and the end device, preventing the installation technician from seeing that valid LED light. To address this issue, we have developed an enhanced version of Link Pass-Through called Active Link Pass-Through, and this feature can be found on new products like our hardened Gigabit Ethernet Mini Media Converter. In this converter, Active Link Pass-Through is permanently enabled. Here we have the same configuration with the same local and remote devices, but this time I'm connecting them over fiber with our new Mini Media Converters that supports the Active Link Pass-Through feature. Remember, Active Link Pass-Through allows the installation technician to make the port connections and see the link lights come up individually. So let's go ahead and connect the copper port and look for the LED lights to come up. And there it is. Now let's do the same for the fiber port. As you can see, Active Link Pass-Through is very helpful in addressing our earlier issue of needing to see the individual LED lights come up as each port is being connected individually. This allows the installation technician the confidence to know his copper installation is done correctly when the fiber connection has to be made at a later point. Now only after the media converter sees valid links on both the copper and fiber port will it automatically enter traditional Link Pass-Through mode. Notice we didn't set any dip switches or change configuration in order to enable Link Pass-Through. This is why we call the feature Active Link Pass-Through. Let's demonstrate this by taking down one of the links. If I disconnect the fiber, Link Pass-Through will do its job of taking down copper. This in turn will take down the copper connections at the end devices. Now Link Pass-Through is bidirectional, so if you lose fiber, it'll take down copper, and when you lose copper, it'll take down fiber. That's how both end devices are made aware of the failure. Now after the fault condition is corrected, we have another feature called Automatic Link Restoration, which ensures that all links will reestablish without requiring any user intervention. Now let's reconnect the fiber and watch all the links automatically restore. Features like automatic link restoration will save network managers a lot of time and money by not having to send technicians out in the field just to power cycle and reset their media converters. The benefit of active link pass-through is that it allows you to see individually the links on copper and fiber port, and then it automatically enters link pass-through mode so it can continue to monitor and propagate link failures. Features like link pass-through, active link pass-through, and automatic link restoration makes the installation, configuration, and troubleshooting of media converters quick and easy. For more information on Transition Networks products, please visit our website at transition.com.